Using an annual population survey, the Office for National Statistics published population demographics by nationality. We randomly took a look at the data for Romania. Between 2016 and 2021, the ONS consistently estimated the Romanian population in the UK at around 345,000. The ONS methodology came up against the reality when in 2021, European citizens had to apply for settled status to remain in the UK. In 2022, the ONS collated and released the actual number granted settled status. If we scroll through the data showing the number of nationals in the UK from each EU country, we see that, coincidentally, Romanians top the list.
Before revealing the number of Romanians who had applied for settled status in the UK, a reminder that the authorities had been working on the assumption that there were 345,000 Romanians living here.
The final number was with a total of 1,134,000 individuals. The ONS scrambled to explain the anomaly.
It would be wrong to assume that the number of EU nationals living in the UK has been underestimated.
It was, it seems, the Romanians who messed up the data.
Because it is almost certainly true that a number of people included in the EU settlement scheme numbers are not all living and working in the UK right now. Also, applications from EU citizens could come from those living in faraway places including Australia because of postings abroad.
It is possible that 1 million Romanians who ordinarily live and work in the UK are temporarily posted to work on contracts abroad.
Applications may also have come from non-EU spouses and family members entitled to live in the UK with an EU citizen.
Again, it is possible that there is a significant number of Romanians who are living in the UK, yet have non-EU spouses living somewhere else in the world. But we have saved the best excuse to the last.
It is important to note that the annual population survey does not include the majority of people living in communal establishments, such as care homes, hostels and halls of residence.
The prospect of 1 million Romanians living in care homes is probably more of a concern for the future, the funding of which we can safely leave for our grandchildren to worry about. There had been long-held concerns about the reliability of ONS data. A key argument in the Brexit debate was based on the ONS assessment that there were 3 million EU citizens in the UK. Yet underestimates similar to our analysis of Romania numbers has contributed to a final total of 7 million EU citizens residing in the UK. The 2021 settlement scheme data comprehensively debunked the ONS methodology and contributed over the next 3 years to serious questions about the funding of the department. And we will be highlighting next how the national census of 2021 revealed major underestimates of many other groups.